लाइव वाला ड्रामा तभी शुरू करो जब हमें 10 मिनट की ब्रेक मिले। बाकी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन मुझे पड़ता। बहाना ये हो गया कि अच्छा वो उनका फोन आ ही गया, फिर मैं 6 लाइव क्लासेस ले लूँ, फिर मैं 15-16 क्लासेस का टाइम टेबल भी इनको बना के दे दूँ। अगर मैम को बता दूँगी
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Please start reading what I posted very quickly.
Good
Let me
afternoon,
see how
ma'am.
much time you take. We'll
Good
talk
afternoon,
later.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. We'll
Ma'am,
talk
we
later.
can't see, ma'am. Please zoom it.
Acha, okay. Wait, trying it out. Now can you see? I'll post on the this WhatsApp group also, okay?
Okay.
Try reading it here, then I'll post it. Now can you read? Those who have it on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Great.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very quickly, very quickly. Read.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Just 3-4 minutes to read maximum. Let me see. Good afternoon, children. Let me test today your reading capacity. WhatsApp pe to dal jata hai, you have all the comfort to go back and see. Please read today this part. Read beta, or you want more time?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like we have an habit, like for example, we don't read the passage, we directly do the questions, and then we find the answer in the passage.
I know that. But don't worry. Today, I'm just trying to test you that how good is your retaining capacity.
Okay, ma'am.
How good is your retaining and comprehending capacity? Shortcuts तो हमेशा we suggest only that we do कि आपके एग्जाम में टाइम सेव हो जाए.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो पढ़िए जल्दी जल्दी and let me know once you are done.
Calm down.
Okay, done. Before I move on to the next page, there's one more page with this. Just give me the opposite or antonyms of absolute. Anybody?
Which
What
word?
is the opposite or antonym for the word absolute? ABSOLUTE, absolute. Anybody? Come on, quickly. Don't Google.
Opposite. Opposite.
Opposite. Opposite of absolute.
Ma'am, I am saying the answer. Ma'am, I am saying the answer opposite.
Ma'am, is it from the paragraph?
Budduram, how is it possible? Absolute ko opposite. What are you saying?
I am
relative.
I am saying, are you asking opposite word or similar word?
Acha, I thought you are giving the answer is opposite. Yes, I am asking opposite. Opposite.
Ma'am, from the passage.
Absolute. Absolute. What will be
Ma'am,
the
is it
answer?
from the passage?
Partial.
Partial.
Partial. Partial, though it will be a
Flexible.
complete.
Uncertain.
Ma'am, incomplete. Ma'am, incomplete.
Incomplete is of complete. Opposite of complete. Give me the exact.
Relative. Relative.
No, it is not relative.
Ma'am, bounded.
It is thoda pass aa gaya. Very good.
Certain.
Think.
Ma'am, indefinite.
I'll give you a clue. It starts
Flexible.
from.
Ma'am,
It starts
indefinite.
from. Indefinite is opposite of definite.
Ma'am, limited. Ma'am, limited.
Flexible.
Ma'am, limited.
Good, excellent. One mango bite, one. Kaun hai? Very good. Who gave
Thank
this
you, ma'am.
answer?
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Siddharth.
Who was it?
Hey,
Siddharth.
Rhythm, don't take my credit, Rhythm.
Ma'am, I spoke limited.
Siddharth.
Ma'am, that
Aryan,
was
na?
me. Siddharth. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, one more.
What
Very
was the
common
word?
word you use in English. Chalo, one mango white already. Siddharth has one. Please be in the competition. We are doing side by side comprehension also.
Hello, ma'am, I
Beta,
am audible.
second. Hanji.
Ma'am, what was
Yes,
the
you're
word?
audible. Okay, I'll give you the second word now. First, mango white is gone. Second is a very common word, admire.
Ma'am, what was the opposite? I want to know.
We have to tell opposite word.
It was limited. Opposite was limited. For absolute, the opposite is limited. We say you have absolute authority, you have absolute freedom, then we say it's limited. Now I'm asking you the opposite of the word admire. Such a common word in English you use. Admire. Give me the opposite.
Ma'am, dislike.
Abhor.
Ma'am, dislike. Dislike.
Dislike is opposite of like.
No,
Abhor.
ma'am.
Disapprove.
Yes.
Ma'am, disapprove.
Disapprove is opposite of approve.
Ma'am, hate.
Despise.
Very good. Excellent. It's despise. DESPIAC. Who is this, Harsh Deshwar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one more, one point both of them have. I'm asking such easy words then also.
Ma'am, but we
Okay.
don't know na, which antonym are you asking?
Oh, next is clear. Clear.
Ma'am, unclear.
Foggy.
Blur.
Hazy.
Blur.
Hmm?
Blur.
Hazy.
Vague.
Vague.
Clear.
Ma'am,
Blur.
hazy.
Ma'am, opaque. Ma'am, opaque. Ma'am, opaque.
Ma'am, blur.
How can it be opaque, beta?
Ma'am, blur.
Opaque to
Ma'am, blur is
transparent
perfect.
रहेगा.
Ma'am, blur.
Yes. No, it's not blur also.
Ma'am,
Anybody else?
hazy.
Ma'am, unclear or vague.
Dim.
Yes, unclear or vague can be taken. Ambiguous can also be taken.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am,
we-
that
How
I
many
spoke
points now?
unclear.
How many points?
I spoke, ma'am, unclear first, ma'am.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. Take down your points. Arrogant.
But ma'am,
Next
blur
word.
is
Next word
perfect
is
for clear,
arrogant.
ma'am.
Okay, arrogant. Next word. Opposite
Ma'am,
of
And
arrogant.
gentle.
Very
I'm
good.
modest.
Humble. Who gave me the first one?
Modest.
Humble, modest.
Parth.
They're all correct.
Modest.
Keep counting. Yes. Very good. Too good. Asking a very simple. Beta, actually, modest is not the perfect word. Humble is the better word. Because modest is the opposite of boastful.
Yes, ma'am.
When we become very specific, then arrogant opposite would be humble, and modest word is generally used for the opposite of being boastful. Clear, beta? Next, last one for you as of now. Clever.
Ma'am,
I'm stupid. It could be.
Yes.
Clever.
Idiot.
Perfect answer I have got. What is it? The opposite of clever is what? It is stupid. Yes, this is a simple one. Admit.
Reject.
No, reject is approve. Admit.
Deny.
Deny. Very good. It can be deny or it could be dismiss, anything, but
Yes,
not
ma'am.
reject.
Conceal.
Reject is not the correct word. Okay, one last one for opposites today. Prosperity. Prosperity. What is the opposite of prosperity?
Hardship.
Ma'am, hardship or failure? Failure.
Failure
Failure.
for prosperity. नहीं बेटा.
Hardship. Hardship.
Ma'am, loss.
Peter, give me another word, a better one. Prosperity.
Lessening.
Hardship.
Ma'am, lack.
Tell me, it ends with Y only.
Ma'am, poverty.
Prosperity.
Poverty.
Poverty,
Ma'am,
poverty,
Poverty. Ma'am,
poverty.
I spoke first.
Arey, I spoke first, Rhythm.
Arey, don't fight. Poverty is also not the exact answer.
Catastrophe.
Low.
Nahi, catastrophe. Not at all. It's adversity. Chalo. Now we move on. I'm giving you another 2 minutes. I was just trying. You know why I asked you all this? Can anybody tell me?
Yes,
Why I was
ma'am. So
asking
that
all this?
we
can forget that.
Yes, ma'am. We can forget that.
Very smart. Nowadays,
Okay.
children know all the tricks of
Ma'am, we
teacher,
are
huh?
more smart, ma'am. I have taken
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good. You
Ma'am, me
people
too.
know.
Ma'am, me too. Ma'am, me too.
Too
Ma'am, I have
good. Yeah,
taken
you
this
people are
screenshot.
very, very smart.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
smart. Sir.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
You all are
ma'am,
so smart. Acha,
The
ye
reason-
batao. Beta, nobody responded that day to the message which was put on the group for coming to school. Not even one child.
How can we
Ma'am,
come
we
back?
are 18 students, ma'am. You are 18
Ma'am,
students.
so no one wants to come to school.
Ma'am,
Yes,
not even
ma'am.
that 18 students, ma'am.
I was seeing
Yes,
in
ma'am.
class 10, some students have given their consent, but 11th and 12th, there was not even one child who has written, not even
Because-
one from class.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because
we are
we
more
are
afraid of
intelligent.
COVID than 10th students.
Ma'am,
You're more prone to. You have
Yes,
to be
ma'am.
more safe.
Ma'am, more
10th
mature,
class,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
like,
2 years experience, ma'am. Seniors,
more
that's
mature,
why.
so
Ma'am,
you'll be
no,
more
ma'am, no
careful,
risk
na?
in board year, ma'am. No risk in
Yes,
board
ma'am.
year.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
10th
risk.
doesn't
Yes,
have boards. Wow, beta, wow. 10th doesn't have boards.
So,
Ma'am,
ma'am, they
10th
need to,
have
ma'am,
easy boards, ma'am. Those
Ma'am-
boards are easy.
ma'am, they need to realize that they have
Ma'am,
boards.
no risk for competitive exams.
They're
Oh, no risk
opposite
for
of clever.
competitive exams. Oh, now I understood. No risk for competitive exams over here. That's really interesting. How many of you are going for competitions after class 12th? How many of you are planning to go for graduation only, normal graduation? Or most of you are trying for some competitive thing? NEET
going for-
and IITs.
And going for competition is another thing, and clearing the competition is
Ah,
another.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I agree with her.
Anybody
Everyone
planning to
is going-
join forces? Anybody is planning to join forces? Army, Navy, Air Force, something?
Ma'am, I think Rajat. Ma'am, he
Okay.
gave NDA. Ma'am, this year NDA.
Very good. Okay, interesting. This was interesting anyways. Last one, anybody
Ma'am, what
interested
was
in
that?
going for civil services? UPSC?
Ma'am, I'm interested, but after graduation and all.
Ma'am, we are not getting time for
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are
Yes,
not
ma'am, me too.
Ma'am, we are not getting time for 12th.
Oh, we are not getting a chance for self-study to become a civil servant. Huh? For an IAS officer, you want to
Yes,
study
ma'am.
from
Ma'am,
now
because
on.
civil services can never be a primary goal.
I completely agree with you. I've seen people struggling 9 years, 10
Yes,
years, 9
ma'am.
attempts, 10 attempts. Normally what they do is they pick up a job beta and then they keep studying. This is what I've seen.
Ma'am, like my sister. Yes, ma'am. She is also giving her IAS.
But she must be studying something or
Yes,
she's
ma'am.
working.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, she is in job in Wipro. Ma'am, engineer.
Exactly. That is what most of the people target it like this only. Like my son also, he wanted to go. So he is targeted for his CDS. He's cleared his written. Now he's gone for his SSB. These days he's not here. He's gone for SSB. So main target, these people mainly, though I have a second opinion. I feel that if you join some job, then you'll not be able to study. But I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know. The youth says no, now we are grown up, we want to make money, we want to earn money. I don't know, this trend has come.
Ma'am,
But I
but
seriously
the
feel
competition is so high in civil services, we can't take it as a primary goal.
that is what he says, mass selection rate is not even 1% when it comes.
Yes, ma'am.
If we start talking about the number of people who sit in written exam, so it's not even 1%, the people who clear
Yes,
it
ma'am.
out.
IIT
that
can
is
be cleared. No, IIT can be cleared, but IAS and this is difficult.
The IAS mein to IITians only fail many times.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
few IITians are able to clear IAS. So that is something
ma'am.
very, very You have to be actually isolated from the entire world. If you're targeting for civil services,
Ma'am,
you have to only
isolated but connected to the whole world.
isolated in a sense,
Isolated to
from
have
this
distractions, but
people.
connected to
Yes,
each and every
yes.
information what is happening.
Isolated from people who demoralize you, who waste your time. But of course, when it comes to awareness, you have to be very aware. Okay, have you read the 5th paragraph? We'll keep talking simultaneously so that I
Just a
keep
minute,
confusing
ma'am.
you. Yes, I'll keep confusing you.
We forgot the first
अच्छा अच्छा
paragraph.
पढ़ो ना, read the 5th paragraph quickly. चलिए, we'll keep talking later.
Yes, ma'am, read.
Okay, let's very quickly move on to the 6th one now. All IAS, IITians, NEET, all brilliant minds here. Please read. And my chartered
Ma'am, read.
accountants are there. Commerce students, chartered accountants, company secretaries.
We were saying like this, we can clear IIT.
I'm motivating, na? You all are brilliant minds. Indian
Like we
youth,
know.
chartered accountants from commerce section. What are you doing? Trying to find the hisab of 2 rupees, 5 rupees. Where are you? Hmm?
Ma'am, there are 25 students from commerce, ma'am. What are you saying?
Oh, that's what I'm asking. My chartered accountants, please respond. Why are they not responding? All my top CAs and CS people. Have you read the 6th paragraph? Chaliye, let's move on to the 7th one now. Quickly. There are only 8. Read the 7th one.
Ma'am, read.
Ma'am, 2 minutes left.
Okay, read. There's only one more left, the 8th one. If you read the 7th one, I'm opening the last paragraph, that is the 8th one. Commerce students also please read beta. I want you to participate. I will not give the meaning of any words. Read bachas, the 8th one also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm asking a question which seems to be very simple, but I'll tell you most of the time students do such kind of questions wrong. Listen to my question very carefully. The author's tone of writing in this passage is, you have to find out the tone of the author. I'm giving you options. Number 1, he's an uncertain scientist. First option is, listen very carefully, uncertain scientist. Number 2, a concerned observer. Number 3, a dejected defeatist. Again, I'm giving the options. Uncertain scientist, concerned observer, or dejected defeatist.
Ma'am, concerned observer.
Okay, I have got one answer. Beta, be very careful. Aram se, I have got the first answer, concerned observer. Beta, first tell me your name.
Siddharth.
I'm concerned observer.
Okay, Siddharth again. Chaliye, we'll wait for others also. Others also, please give your opinion.
Yes, ma'am, concerned observer.
Concerned observer.
Yes,
Everybody agrees. Everybody agrees to his answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Too good. Very good, Siddharth. Very quick and perfect answer.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Let's move on to the next one. Okay. What is the passage most strongly trying to suggest? There are 8 paragraphs, but you have to be very careful in answering this. Beta, be very, very careful about comprehensions, lot of weightage for comprehensions. The passage most strongly suggests what? Number one, the recent increase in the extinction rate, which is caused due to human-caused climatic changes. First option is the recent increase in extinction rate, which is caused because of human-caused climatic changes. Number two, all extinctions currently taking place result from human activity. All extinctions, they take place because of human activity. Third option is some life forms are going extinct before being even discovered by humans. They become extinct and we not even discovered them. And the last one is the modern extinctions are destroying the biodiversity. The modern extinctions are destroyed the biodiversity. Very quickly, the four ones. First is recent increase in the extinction rate caused by human climate changes. Number two, all extinctions currently taking place result from human activity. Number three, some life forms have become extinct even before humans could discover them. And the last is modern extinctions are destroying the biodiversity. Let's see who gives the first answer and what according to you
Ma'am, I
is the
think
first.
I'm second one. I'm due to human activities.
You mean that
All
all extinctions are taking place because of human activity? This is what you're trying to say, Vijay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
nowadays.
and all
okay, fine.
extinctions due to human activities.
All extinctions due to human activity. Anybody else? My question was, the passage most strongly suggests what? Though it suggests all of them, but most strongly.
Ma'am, can you repeat the
Ma'am,
last?
please repeat the fourth one.
Yes, the fourth one says, the modern extinctions are destroying the biodiversity. Beta, all 4 points are suggested. The question is most strongly suggested is which point?
Ma'am, first one.
First one, she means that the recent increase is because of human caused climatic changes. This is what you're trying to say, Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your name, bache?
Janvi.
Janvi says climatic changes. This is the main thing that they're suggesting. Siddharth said all changes because of human activity. We have got two different opinions. Anybody else?
Some life forms are going
Ma'am,
extinct
this
before
one,
being discovered by
the
humans.
ma'am, this one, the
Okay.
recent
Third
increase
one
in
has also come.
extinction rate occurred as a result of human-caused climatic change.
Now, beta, two options are coming very close to each other. Let us discuss one of them is correct. See, these kind of passages are complicating. Why I've taken up this passage? Because when you'll go for different competitions also, wherever you'll go, you'll have to face this comprehension wala thing. That day also I told you, whether you're going to a good college open entrance exam, you always have these things. So be careful. I'll tell you two options you can leave, only two you consider, and out of these two, which one is correct? Number one, the recent increase in extinction is because of human-caused climatic change. And second, all extinctions take place because of human activity. Out of these two, one is the correct answer. Tell me
Ma'am,
which one. Most
this one, the
strongly.
recent increase in extinction rate occurred as a result of human-caused climatic change.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Human
ma'am.
caused climatic change.
Janvi has a different opinion. Janvi says it is because of climatic changes is the strongly suggested point. Janvi, please justify, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Why,
then
why
all
did you
these
take
are
that
due to
point, Janvi?
human activities.
Ma'am, ma'am, I took the second one first, but then it was about the most focused point of all the paragraphs. That's why I took the first one.
Which one, according to you, is the most focused point, that is climatic changes?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
one, the recent
Hmm?
increase in extinction rate.
Yes, beta. Janvi, according to you, it is climatic changes in all the paragraphs? Children, just let us check what she's saying. You also agree that in all paragraphs, did we mention about the climatic changes? Most of the paragraphs, was this the factor?
Ma'am, most of the paragraphs.
I'll tell you one thing here, children. All of us are wrong except for Janvi. Janvi has given the perfect answer. So reading is one part. That is why I'm saying it is strongly. How do you find out that which point is strongly suggested? I kept on telling you all points are suggested, beta, which is the most strongly suggested. So how will you check out? If you go and check out for different paragraphs, let me start
Ma'am,
with the
the point
first
which
one.
is referred again and again.
Yes, the point which is referred again and again, and it was all we were generally relating it to climate. Carbon dioxide, greenhouse gases, trapping of solar energy, ice cores, if you remember. All these things we had discussed. Global ecosystems being reshaped, atmosphere being altered. So all these things you were finding in different paragraphs. So most of the paragraphs were related to this. Too good, too good, too good, Janvi. Very good. Well done. Let's come to the third one now. What is the name of the new period of geological time that Earth has entered now in the current era? What is the name of the new period of geological time that Earth has entered in the current era? Anybody?
Ma'am, Anthropocene epoch.
Too good, excellent. Again, Siddharth?
No, ma'am, part. I think.
Parth.
Parth, too good. Very good, beta. बहुत ही अच्छे. Which paragraph did you find it?
Ma'am, in the first one, it's there.
First.
Too good. Very, very nice. Very good. Chale, let's see next one. What was the ancient Cambrian period distinguished by? What was the ancient Cambrian period distinguished by?
Some sudden explosion in the
And
diversity
sudden
of life.
explosion in diversity.
Okay. Everybody agrees to this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Sudden explosion in the diversity. Next, beta. According to IUCN, I think this is the easiest question in this. According to IUCN, what proportion of animals is in danger of extinction? What proportion of animals are in danger of extinction according to IUCN?
1/5.
1/5 of mammals. Very good. Mammals and reptiles, 1/5. And how many of amphibians?
1/3.
1/3. Excellent. Again, Parth.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Two good parts. Very good comprehending skills. Mammals, it is 1/5, and 1/3 it is reptiles. Excellent. Two good. Next one now. What? Find the words in the passage which convey the meaning similar to significant. Find a word in the passage which has the same meaning as the word significant. Come on now, your vocabulary. Find quickly, give me the answer.
Ma'am, in which para?
I'll tell you the para, but first I want to see if somebody can give me like this only without a clue. Okay, I'll give you a clue, Chalu, never mind. It is second para. Significant. Nobody. Second
notable.
Ma'am,
paragraph.
emergence. Ma'am, emergence.
Yes, I got the answer. Notable. Who gave this answer?
Siddharth.
Siddharth again. Excellent. So there's a competition between Siddharth and Parth. Okay, let's see who is the winner today. Siddharth and Parth. Harsh Deshwal, where have you gone after two answers? Not answering now. Okay. Which word in the passage means the same as investigated? Janvi, you are also there. Come on. Investigated. Okay, I'll give you a clue.
And
It is
it's in the
paragraph.
third.
No, it is in the fourth. Children, you need to practice more of comprehensions, beta. And that you will never do it at home. I know this. Nobody has the time to do comprehensions at home.
Ma'am, surveyed.
Excellent survey. Dhruv, is it Dhruv?
Ma'am, Parth.
Parth again. Oh, very good. Parth has taken a lead now. Siddharth, Janvi, Harsh Deshwal. Come on, be in the race. Very good, Parth. Too good. Okay, next question. You have to answer it based on the passage. Huh? What is the relationship between carbon dioxide and ice cores? What is the relationship between carbon dioxide and ice cores? Nobody knows what is the relationship between carbon dioxide and ice cores?
Ma'am,
Yes,
changes
science
in
student.
atmospheric carbon dioxide levels can be studied through ice cores.
Excellent, excellent. Your science students can understand it very easy to understand. CO2 increases, you know, global warming. So all this is related to ice cores.
Greenhouse
Excellent
effect.
answer we have got. Yes, you want to track the changes in atmospheric CO2 levels. So you can simply do it with the help of ice cores. You can relate it very easily. CO2 increasing, greenhouse gas. So it leads to global warming. So this is how it is related. Very good, very, very good. Next one, beta. Tell me this one. What is the main purpose of the passage? Very important. Though last question, I don't think you'll be able to take up more. No, we have some time. What is the main purpose of this passage? Number one, respond to controversial claims made by scientists. Respond to controversial claims which are made by some scientists. Number two, argue for solutions to the problems posed by climatic changes. Argue for solutions to the problems posed by climatic changes. Number three, describe the human impact on the Earth's environment. The last one, account for the recent changes in global biodiversity. What is the main purpose? Main purpose of this passage is what?
Ma'am, for what was the first one?
The first is respond to controversial claims made by some scientists. Second is argue for solutions to the problems posed by climatic changes. Third is describe the human impact on the Earth's environment. And fourth is account for recent changes in global biodiversity.
And describe the human impact.
Exactly. Too good. If you remember the question which I had asked, where Janvi had given the answer most strongly, it was suggesting
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
The climatic changes. So if it is climatic changes, so the main purpose, the most appropriate option will be the human impact on the Earth's environment. It is basically human impact on the Earth's environment. What is the full form of IUCN? IUCN.
International Union on Conservation of Nature.
Yes, very good. Only one person, such a simple question answer is coming. International Union for Conservation of Nature. And there is a list mentioned in which we have some names after a survey being done. What is the name of the list? What is the list?
Red list.
Red list. Very good. Next one, beta. It is believed that dinosaurs wiped out this number of years ago. How many years ago did that? It is
65
believed that
million years
dinosaurs.
ago.
Yes, it is 65 million years ago. We had already got an answer from Parth. He said we call it as the Anthropocene epoch. Anthropocene epoch began in which centuries?
17 and the 18th centuries.
17th century and?
18th century.
Yes, very good. Next, beta. The consequences of these changes will affect the life for how many years? The consequences of these changes will affect the human life for how many years?
Millions of years.
Yes, millions of years. Which paragraph did you find it, Janvi?
8th.
Excellent. One very important question. Some climatologists propose that the Anthropocene's onset occurred with, when did it start?
Industrial revolutions and effects on Earth's
Exactly.
atmosphere.
Too good. Yes, yes. It started with the Industrial Revolution. Very good. Too good. Okay. Now, I'm giving you an option for you people. Anybody wants to ask something out of this passage, or should I only continue to ask? You can ask each other if you want.
Ma'am, is it
Okay, I'll ask. Give a word which is the opposite. The word is mentioned in the passage only. The word is opposite of constant. Find a word in the passage which is opposite of constant.
Steep.
Opposite, beta, opposite. It's used many times. It's used in the last paragraph. It is also used. Yes, very good. It is altered. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Next. Free. Opposite of free. It's there in the passage. Find a word in the passage which is opposite of free. Anybody?
I'm trapped.
Trapped. Very good. Very good, Janvi. Very good. Children, be careful. Keep reading so that you get to know more about this. Okay. Now, tell me the next one. Reasons. Opposite of reasons. Okay, I'll give you an easier one. Causes. Opposite of causes mentioned in this passage. Very quickly, opposite of causes. It's given in the last paragraph. Quickly, quickly. No one? It's consequences, beta. Causes are before the event, and what you get after a program or after an event or after anything, then they are known as the consequences. Okay, which are the gases which trap solar energy on Earth mentioned in the passage?
Carbon dioxide.
Yes, it is carbon dioxide. Very good. How do some ecologists believe